The industries recognize the need for highly qualified professional technicians and mechanics to fill a lot of the needs right now. There's several bike shops just needing consistent workforce, not just locally, but also nationally. You know, you can kind of feel the energy once students are in here.
We really do try to focus on creating a good, positive atmosphere, a good culture in every cohort that comes through. Every group of students that we have, we want them to be open about what they know and what they don't know. It's a really awesome environment of students helping other students, about us being present.
The bicycle technician program is unconventional in the sense that it is the first of its kind. But what's happening here at the college is that now there are standards, there is a new sort of level of professionalism. It's very fun, it's very energetic of a profession to be in, but there's also a lot of room and space for people that are maybe looking for a career change or have just always been a hobbyist around bikes and maybe want to take it a little bit more seriously.
As innovation comes to the public, the service that happens at the bike shop is going to have to respond to that. You've got to know how to run a business and be successful in order to keep the lights on, pay your employees well, and then also support the economy and your community. We kind of bring them into the expectations early in the program of working to a high standard of professionalism. That's what we want to reflect.
One of the first things they notice is how everything is so clean, so structured. I mean, if you look into the toolboxes, even those are very organized. Already there is just that standard of professionalism.
You know, folks ask us all the time is, wow, this place is really clean. Why is it so clean? Usually a bike shop's really dirty. Well, we're not a bike shop, right? We're a learning facility. The hope is that they take the organization piece, the cleanliness, and apply it to wherever they work so that the space can be more approachable to the person walking through the door, to their next customer. Teaching them how to be profitable with the skills that they have and the craft that they have of diagnosing a bike and solving the solution to bring a better experience.
With bikes getting more and more complex every day, there's always more demand for competent mechanics, especially in an area like this. There's so many bike shops, there's so many corporate presences that need mechanics.
By the time they have that certification, they already kind of have this confidence, they've built some friendships, and have had some good experiences being outside of the lab, but utilizing their new skills, right?
This is a place to learn. This is a place to make mistakes. This is a place where we're going to ask you questions and you need to ask us questions. So engaging that student one-on-one, but also whole group is great. And it really goes a long way to breaking those barriers down for that cohesiveness that's involved with the program.
At the end of the day, you will have this beautiful skill set that will serve you, will serve your friends and your community in some type of way because you know how to work on bikes. And the fact that you can come in here now and then get this certification in 16 weeks, I mean, you get that in like that and already you can start kind of reaping those benefits.
It's a huge need right now, and that's never going to go away. Ridership is the highest it's ever been in the entire history of the industry. Really, it's about talking about the skills that they'll gain from having success working on a bike.
Everybody in the bicycle industry is passionate about cycling. They're passionate about riding whatever discipline they ride. It is invigorating to be around. If that's the kind of career you're looking for, it's awesome.